Hey everybody, how's it going? James Rule XRP, beautiful Sunday morning. The sun is shining. I got a good night's sleep. I went out and I took a little road trip yesterday on the Polaris, and I want to show you what it's like when you live in the country. Well, when you live in the country, you take the back roads and you just pull your Polaris Ranger up to the nearest gas station that's nearby, and you fuel up and you go on down the road, just have a good time. I mean, we have back roads, we have, main highways that we try to avoid, and all that good stuff, but it's fun. You live in the country, you can take the back road. You can go to the car wash, the Family Dollar, the liquor store, the restaurant, the gas station, the Dollar General, wherever you want to go. And yesterday I went to the local park, like I always do, and I fed the squirrels. And I tell you what, the squirrels are like, here comes the peanut man. So what's neat, I brought my Mini 5 Pro drone with me, and it has an active track mode where it'll follow me around the park, which is freaking badass. But here I made this little short video called the Squirrel Whisperer, and you'll get a kick out of it. So I've already fed the squirrels. I've already dumped like a half a bag of peanuts on the ground, and I still have a few peanuts left. But every time I come back around, they're like, okay, Mr. James, do you have any more peanuts? Do you have any more And they'll all come around. They'll all come up real close. When I have the peanuts in my hand, they'll damn near come and take them out of my hand. But they're like, okay, James, where's the peanuts? Do you have any more? And there was probably 10 or 12 squirrels running around, and the public feeds them, and they're real tame. They come around. Look, that one's looking at me like, do you have any? Come on, where the peanuts at? But anyway, I thought you'd get a kick out of this video. It's the little things that get me excited. I'm 59 going on 18, and I love nature, and I love getting out, and I love being with family, and I love being with the community. That's why I am going to so enjoy going to XRP Las Vegas here at the end of this month, just to meet the community, to meet the builders, to meet just people that have done the unthinkable, have decided to go in on cryptocurrency while everybody was laughing at them. And you know what? It's kind of tight right now. Times are kind of hard, but I'll tell you what, everything's going to pay off. I was at a get together at my brother's yesterday. He cooked crawfish, and one of the couples that was there, one of the guys told me, James, we were talking about crypto a while back. We started watching your videos. We started getting XRP and other cryptos, and I'm really excited about the future. And it's just so exciting to get human interaction and to hear that from someone else that has either watched my channel or heard about crypto or done this or that. So I love interacting with people in nature and all that good stuff. So if you have not followed me on X, which is formerly Twitter, be sure you do at All the Money. So let's go ahead and get after it. So Caleb and Brown, you get to talk to a real person. Listen to this video clip.
So here at Caleb and Brown, we have a support team who are available to reach out to and ask any questions. A lot of people, a lot of clients even say, are you a robot? And I always laugh because I always have to write back, no, it is me. I am a real human. So it is rare to have that sort of human interaction on a platform that is involved with crypto. So we do pride ourselves on that. So at any stage, you can reach out to us and speak to a real human, either me or my team.
So Caleb and Brown is a crypto brokerage. You receive a one-on-one broker when you sign up. And they have institutional grade custody. You can deposit cash. You can deposit crypto. You can withdraw cash. You can withdraw crypto. There are no limits. There are fees. There is a broker. There is an app. You can contact your broker 24/7, 365. If you want to go to the platform and XRP goes down to $1.15 and you got $2,000 cash on the platform and you immediately want to buy XRP, well, you get on the app and you contact your broker and go, hey, look, go ahead and buy $2,000 worth of XRP at $1.15 now. And I promise you, within 5 minutes, you get a response, an email, a text back saying, James, or whoever it is on the app, we just bought you such and such XRP at $1.15. So it's interaction. There's an app. There's choices. And it's awesome. Check out Caleb and Brown. Sign up for free below. And you'll really be glad you did. All right, total crypto market. We are down a tad. The market is down. The sentiment is down. People are like, man, I invested in this. It was a higher. It's down. Is it going to go to zero? all of this. And no, it's not going to go to zero. Bitcoin is down to 71,000. Ethereum's down to 2,100. XRP is $1.33. $1.33. And people are going, well, I'm going to wait for it to go to 50 cents before I buy some. I'm going to wait for it to go down. Well, you go ahead and do you. Bless your heart. You do you. Right now is an opportunity, and I know times are hard, but suck it up, Buttercup. All right, here we go. CoinDesk. Stablecoin transaction volumes could reach $719 trillion by 2035, people. And right now, the total crypto market is $2.5 trillion. $719 trillion in the next 9 years by rivals Visa and MasterCard by 2039. Driven by a $100 trillion generational wealth transfer to crypto native younger generations. So what you are accumulating today, people. I repeat, what you are accumulating today in the next 5 to 10 years is going to be unfathomable. Faces are going to melt. People are going to call you lucky. People that you used to work with are going to say, damn, you talked about that 10 years ago. You're just lucky. Well, you know what? We're damn lucky because we've done our research. We've gone through so much bullshit with the governments, especially if you've had XRP for the past 7, 8, 9 years. All the crap we went through with the SEC and the previous administration and getting all these laws written in the stone, and they need to be written in the stone. But so many incredible things are going to happen for you and your family and your grandkids and your great-grandkids and future generations because you had the balls to do what you're doing today while people laughed at you. Yes, some of you are barely making it by. Some of you are maybe taking $10, $20 out of every paycheck and buying some Bitcoin or buying some XRP. Maybe you're taking $100 out of every paycheck and buying XRP or VeChain or Flare or HBAR or ADA or whatever. Congratulations to you. There's no minimum. There's no maximum. You don't have to have 1,000 XRP. You don't have to have 100,000 Flare. If you just get a little piece of the pie now, that pie is going to expand. It's going to grow. It's going to make you wealthy. Stablecoin volumes to reach $719 trillion by 2035 as generational wealth speeds up crypto adoption. I'm not even going to read the article. Think about this. You remember, if you're my age, you remember the internet. And how it was confusing and how you had a flip phone or if you had a pager and you had to be on the same network and you had dial-up internet and all of a sudden the internet became mainstream and then the iPhone comes out and now everybody has a camera on their phone and everybody can communicate within seconds. Well, things are happening now with the internet of value. The internet of information is the internet. The internet of value is the blockchain, tokenization, everything else. And yesterday in this CoinDesk article, I showed you the expansion of XRP and Oriel USD and Ripple's acquisitions and how everything is going to be on the blockchain. You need to be patient, people. Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin is now powering Ghana's entire tax and payment infrastructure for 2.1 million people. Trident Digital Tech Holdings and Ripple Strategy Holdings signed strategic cooperation agreement to co-build a stablecoin payment system for Africa market. It is happening, people. It is happening. Evernorth, Ashish Birla, decided to have the largest public XRP treasury company to stockpile XRP, to stockpile XRP, to stockpile XRP. April the 6th, Ashish Birla said that Wall Street upgraded its plumbing in the 90s, and it's about to do it again. Because when you look at that interview from Bullish yesterday and Raoul Paul and the guy with Bullish, the CEO used to be with the New York Stock Exchange, and you look at Schwab and you look at Fidelity and you look at Franklin Templeton, and you look at everybody talking about tokenization and everybody talking about the magical one wallet that's going to hold everything. Because Everything in the world is going to be tokenized. Your savings account, your checking accounts, your stocks, your gold, your silver, your horse, your dog, your cow, your house, your property, your art. Everything that you have is going to be tokenized and put on the blockchain for accountability and verifiability. And so many people out there going, well, I still got my stocks and bonds and 401ks, and I still got my money in my checking account. My savings account's making me about 0.5%, almost 0.1%, and I'm doing good because I love dirty old cash. Now we're going to talk about the nitty gritty. I always talk about getting excited. Okay, the news is great, but you have to look out for the damn scammers, people. Because every day you're going to get a text message, you're going to get a phone call, you're going to get a response on social media or YouTube or Facebook or whatever social you're on, and there's going to be damn scammers out there, and you're thinking, man, I might get free XRP because Brad Garlinghouse sent me a message. Brad Garlinghouse told me if I send him my 10,000 XRP, he's going to send me 100,000 XRP from Ripple. People, this will never happen. This will never happen. There are fakes out there. There's imposters out there that are trying to steal your crypto. David Schwartz responded to this. And someone posted a picture of a fake Brad Garlinghouse official Instagram account. And David Schwartz, Joel Cat, says this is definitely not his. And where does this span from? Well, this Hurricane Quarter up the top says, can Brad Garlinghouse or Ripple or Joel Katz confirm the XRP giveaway sent to me on Telegram after Brad friend requested me? It's asked me to send some XRP and they send me more back. Seems fishy, but from Brad Garlinghouse's official account. Really? I mean, do you really believe this, Hurricane Carter? Are you just trying to stir the pot? Yes, this is from March 2019, but think about this. 2019, we didn't have all this crazy AI technology that we have today. The technology today is scary. Yes, AI is wonderful. AI will get you answers if you want to ask about a drug or an ailment or maybe a company or something. AI will spit it out for you. But I need you to listen up, people, to this. I need you to listen to this before you shut this video off. And it's very important that you hear this because in the past 6 or 7 years since I have had my socials, my YouTube account, my Twitter/X, my Facebook, all that, people have sent me instant messages from the community because they have been robbed from scammers. And they don't want to go, all right, YouTube, or all right, social media, I got scammed out of $100,000. Here's what happened. Here's my wallet address. They're too embarrassed to do that. So you're going to be able to avoid that if you train yourself to delete everything that you receive. 99.9% of everything you receive is most likely a scam. I'm going to repeat. 99.9% of everything you receive is most likely a scam. Phone calls, text messages, emails, social media help desk, YouTube video comments are the worst. James, I have XRP, but I want you to try the XP22Z coin. That's right. The XP22Z coin is the bomb. And there'll be 20 flipping scammers or bots on my YouTube comment saying, oh, the A22Z coin is the bomb. This is what you need to get. It's all a scam, people. Trust no one. No one will ever need your wallet recovery phrases, those 12 and 24 words that you wrote down to recover your wallet, and it's for you only. No one will ever need your private login information or your passwords to get into your bank or to your crypto exchange or Amazon or FedEx or whatever. No one will ever need your private login information, people. No one will ever close your wallet or close your cryptocurrency exchange for not responding. Do not click on links, PDFs, DocuSigns, or anything within a text or email. You're going to get scammers from fake Coinbase, Ledger, the U.S. government, Social Security, driving violations, tolls, tax information from the IRS. Oh, this 1099 DA, you need to click on this and get it now because you're going to get taxed on it. From banks, from Amazon, from FedEx, from UPS. Do you see where I'm coming from? Everything that you receive is a fake. Everything you receive is a phony. And the PDFs that you click on in these emails, in these texts, guess what, people? They are full of viruses. They're full of viruses that your Norton, that your antivirus software will not detect. And what's going to happen? These viruses are going to take over your phone. They're going to take over your Windows computer, your MacBook, your desktop, whatever. And they're going to run in the background. And these scammers are going to see your keystrokes. They're going to see you log into your bank information. They're going to see you log into your crypto accounts. They're going to duplicate it. They're going to steal all of your shit. You're going to say, what the hell happened? How did I get robbed? I'm trying to get my point across because I have heard and I have spoken with people that were devastated because they lost their life savings because, yes, they made a mistake, but yes, they thought they were doing the right thing. And yes, it was an honest mistake. You have to be smart. Do not respond. Do not reply. Do not answer. Delete, 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 delete. And the crows out there are saying the same thing. Delete, 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 delete. Carry on. You'll get a text from somebody that says, hey, how you doing? I lost my phone and I don't know who this is. Can you text me back with your name and number? I lost my phone. Don't do it, people. It's the damn scammers. And if you respond, they're going to put you on a call list. They're going to put you on a list where you're going to get constant messages. So delete everything. Take a deep breath, people. Relax. Don't panic. If you're new to crypto, even if you're not in crypto, and I hope you get something out of that 99% of everything you receive are scammers, because they are, and they're horrible, and they're sorry, horrible piece of crap people around the world that are making millions of dollars off of you and me and the rest of the world. So be sure to subscribe to the James Rural Crypto Show. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your Monday. Enjoy your week. Stop stressing out. Get out. Take a ride. Roll the windows down. Walk in the grass. Walk in the sand. Go to a pond. Go to an ocean. Hop on your buggy. Hop on your bicycle. Breathe in the fresh air and stop stressing out, because we're going to be super successful, super wealthy, and we're going to be able to hand our wealth down to future generations. Have a great one. And don't forget, people, I told you so.